Alright guys, we're at Twisted Trailers Puppet Theater Torment. And let's do it. Right. Photograph. Alright, let's do it. Alright. This is scary. Oh, the mermaids. Mermaids. The demon guy. Escape from the circus. We're going backstage. There's details in there. Oh shoot, this is so creepy. Oh, oh, oh my god, this clown is he's so creepy. Okay, oh no, he's scary. He's scary, not gonna lie, he's scary. Oh shoot. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. This guy better chill. Oh, what is that thing? What the heck is going on? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, we got some like cool things right there. Oh, whoa. That scared me. But oh no. Oh, he scares me. This guy's scary. Alright. Alright. Okay, we made it. We made it, bro. Oh, he's you. Oh my god, he's scary. Not gonna lie. Okay. Oh, guys, this was a cool haunted house, so bye.